How I would learn to day trade if I could start all over. If I could start all over, I would just stick with the fundamentals. It's what I do now. And I really wish, because trading is simple, right? Trading is just following along with these candles here. It's support and resistance, and it's price action. It's really that's what it is. It's people's emotions that we're following along. I wish somebody hammered into me the fundamentals, and it's not gone over enough when it comes to trading. And I would focus purely on the fundamentals, and I would study the charts, study the charts, and study the charts. I would look at every major stock, whether that's SPY, Facebook, Nvidia, Twitter, and I would look at as far back as I could go on the 1 minute or 5 minute or 3 minute chart, whichever one you prefer, and just look how those stocks behave. I would look at support and resistance trading, and I would look at price action trading. And people talk about price action trading all the time. You will see it, no, but nobody really explains what that means when it comes to price action. You are literally watching these candles and the story that they tell. That's what candles do. They tell a story between buyers and sellers here. What's the story? What's the action? What's the price action? It's telling a story. It's really watching. You're watching these candles. That's what price action means. You're watching these candles and what the story is telling you. You know, after a big green candle like that, there's probably a continuation move. You can see these big green candles. And then likewise in reverse. It's telling you. You can know what, based on what the price, what the candles are telling you. And that's a fundamental thing, but people don't go over it enough. I wish somebody went over those things with me. And I wish I didn't spend time on all these different indicators like the Fibonacci or the RSI, that sort of thing. I lost a lot of money on the RSI because they look at the past, but they're not straight up the fundamentals of trading. And I wish I stuck with the fundamentals of trading. All it is support and resistance and price action, and focused on that and studied the charts. You can see here, when it comes to support and resistance, you can look here. We'll create a resistance line here. You see that there is resistance here. Call that. You can see when it comes up into this level, it tends to bounce and rejects this top here. You can put it here, right? In this area, you can see it's like a zone, support and resistance zones. You can see here, we'll do that as a top, and we'll create another one as a zone here. We'll go that green, okay? That is support. You can see as this comes up, it hits this line here. You can see as this, retests right here for this day, right? It rejects here, washes out, comes back up to test this level, this resistance level, and doesn't make it. It's too much resistance. So it washes down until it hits support. Look at all this support here, especially at this opening range here. Bounces and continues up here until it rejects it and finally pushes through. Once it pushes through, and this is basic trading 101, but nobody taught, once something, a level is broken, that resistance level is broken, that now becomes support. So it now, as it comes back through, it will come and become support here for the rest of the time and continues to go up from here, right? This was a resistance level. It now becomes support. That's the fundamentals. I wish somebody just taught me the fundamentals and told me to go look at the past 30 days with the time frame. I like the 3-minute time frame of the SPY, of Facebook, and so on and so forth, and just had me study the charts. Because really, it's not rocket science. If it's going to go up, it's going to come down, right? And you're just watching the price action for it to do that. It's going to go up, it'll come down. If it goes up high enough, it's going to come down. But the key is looking at the price action, looking at the story, looking at support and resistance. That's when you get a deep understanding of trading. Stop looking at every different channel that's out there. Focus on the fundamentals. And when it comes to actually using money, practice for 30 days in a simulator or live action trading, paper trading. Do that for 30 days before you put some money in. And when you finally put money in, do not put all your money in. If you got 10,000 to trade, only put in 1,000, because chances are almost every trader I know has blown up their account. It just happens. If you have 10,000 to trade, only start with 1,000, because if you blow up that 1,000, you have another 9,000 left over. But you should really be starting small and scale up from there. Once you build up your confidence, continue to scale out. Those are the things I wish I knew. All comes down to the fundamentals. I really believe you hammer home those fundamentals. You understand what price action means in terms of understanding what the candlesticks are telling you and support and resistance. You cannot go wrong. You will become a really good fundamental trader. If you want to know what it's like to trade the fundamentals and how I learned to trade, got a members link in the comments below or in the description below this video. And again, I'm going to teach you how to fish. I'm not going to fish for you like these other channels where you're following their trades. I don't do that. I teach you how to fish so that you can go out there. I teach you how to trade so you can learn to make money for yourself, and so you never need me again, right? So hope to see you in the members area below, and I will see you there. Take care.